did it again. Started speaking and didn't have my mic on, but yeah. Morning. Hopefully you're having a great morning, man. I'm grateful to be woken up today. Hopefully you guys are as well, and hopefully you're having a great morning, evening, overall day from whatever time you're watching it. All right, as always, let's get this show on the roll. Go ahead and view our 9:30 opening range cap as always. Right. The way we do that is by clicking all the way down to your right, bottom right, clicking sessions. You'll see electronic hours and regular trading hours. Usually we see on regular trading hours, we are allowed to see our gaps. Right. So we're gonna have ES on our right side. You can see we are in discount. Not the biggest gap range that we have, but it's okay. And also we have NQ. You can see NQ already. Yeah, she went a little back and forth, as you guys can see. Got that out of the picture. All right, so yeah, this is where I go ahead and mark my chart, but I do have 9:30. I mean, on the daily, I do have price hitting inside a daily gap. So if we don't go up higher, then it'll be okay. I won't have too much worries. We didn't have ES run into our daily. You guys can see. Also, this is a breaker. We have a high, a low, a high, and then a breakthrough. So this candle here, last down candle, it's our bearish breaker, right? This is daily that we have. So if she does, decide to go back in there, we will have an idea as to why. We did run out yesterday, sell side. All right, you can see that in for NQ, we did reach into our daily sell side efficiency, buy side balance. All right. All right. So the first thing that I've seen that we did was that again it went into our daily SIBI and old 1 hour SIBI and reached into some sell side, buy stops. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and make sure that we put that down. We do have some PMI at 10, so we're gonna wait 5 to 10 minutes to make sure everything cools down before we even decide to press any buttons. We could also see that around 9 we ran into a 1 hour SIBI. No Siri, I'm not talking to you. SIBI. I'm done with you, Siri. What is the low of this candle? 459.75. Also are in one. It's okay. So we ping pong. Look at these ping ponging back and forth. So I'm gonna mark this because I'm gonna be expecting one of these to get breaking through. There's the low here. 46. do the same thing for yes, got the same thing. It's just that she didn't take out the buy stop because she didn't run into our daily SIBI. I'm just marking it up and then I'll put them side by side. 52. Interesting. Okay. All right, so so this is ES and then NQ on my right. You guys can both you guys can see that we have both the is the same as NQ and our SIBI and BISI. I am also looking at this inefficiency in here inversion in here, because if we go down, I mean under 1 hour we wouldn't be able to see because of this wick, but if we dive into the 15-minute, we'll be able to see. I'm gonna go ahead and put this red. Hopefully this works a little bit. Alright, you guys can see that we do have an hour in here. We do have a 15-minute in here inside of this 1 hour inverted FUG if she does decide to go in all the way in. So we gotta make sure we stay mindful of that. Also, I do have an understanding that going lower is gonna be high resistant because mostly everything is balanced out. So I'll be looking to see if we can have some sort of range created. So is it? Yeah, we're gonna have some. We already have something going on. 9:45, right? There's news at 9:45 as well. Yeah. So let's see what we get. And at 10 as well. So. And then same thing for NQ. If she goes lower, I do want to see some expansion lower, but I do want to see it done aggressively. All right. If she goes higher, we do have some area for low resistance. So going up higher would be more of a low resistance of a trade. be mindful as well that we already had oops, for ES reach into this area in here, all right, that we mentioned yesterday we wanted to see, but only ES approached that area from when we mentioned that we want to see price, since we had no news from the new to the new week opening gap, and if it expands into here. She did it, so we do have, you know, some room in here if she does wants to dig into our daily SIBI. All right, if she is gonna do that, I want to see her continue to respect these 1 hour busy and trade above our 1 hour SIBI. All right, and then this will be overall our target. We could dive into here and see um, what's up. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna, you know, better to be prepared and just mark it. Just have it marked up. What is the low? You're gonna have 39.50, and then a high 32. What? So like that, if she does get into there, we'll have an idea. We can even dive in it to see what we have. That is balance and imbalance. 65.25, 705.25, which we already did previous day yesterday. But I'll go ahead and show you guys. On the 15-minute, we do have here some area to be balanced out, as well as the 5-minute. We have a couple. Same thing for ES. We have some inefficiency in here. Even on the 5-minute, it's going down the time frame. So you have some. So paying attention to that. Currently, right now, we're pushing. That is the high. 49.50. I mean 85.50. Yeah, I don't know why the fuck that was there. Anyways, whatever. They just wait. Currently, right now, we are in premium. See, we got a 6:05. We got a couple of 5 minutes inside of our. We got one 5-minute, and then we have one up here. Which, if this get taken, we could have a better idea of saying, okay, she could continue pushing up higher, possibly. But again, has to do I mean, it's some aggressive expansion. Let's see. Would it even matter if I would have turned it another color? Yeah, let's do that better. I'll do the same thing for here. So that I have an idea. This the light pink was not helping. Just enter 950 micro. No, not enter, but we in. Did a 5 minute in here. What time is this? It's 9:45. Still waiting. Alright. Currently we're in between. Well, below the 1 hour SIBI and Q. And we're still a bit inside for or below ES. And have some, low resistance on here. If you do want to go any lower. Heading back into discount, that's how you know you don't really have that much of a cap range. Yeah, 3 more minutes. I'm just waiting until 10 comes so that we can see what she does. Should below these some stuff in here. Looking at these low as well. They got taken. Then they got like T-Mobile personal Wi-Fi, and I don't even use it. It's getting to the point that I might even take it off because I've been using one cable Wi-Fi, which is working way better. So I might have to pull the plug. Alright, it's 10. Let's go see. This was a 9, very close. So looking at right now to see what it's going to hop on. Okay. I guess this. Having a back and forth day, huh? Look at this. Playing ping pong between these two. And we have a new week opening, yeah. Like I said, if we do go lower, I need to see aggressive displacement on both ends, going lower and then retracing. Like, no playing no games. If she's gonna go lower and then coming back up, I don't want to see her going back and forth. Like, I want to just see her, okay, drop, come back, and then proceed going lower. It's already, too choppy going lower. I started seeing I started seeing yesterday pop out the men's Slayer, something like that. That's not Popeye. That's not him. But yo, I ain't gonna think for you guys. Tell you what it is, cause I don't wanna mess up the chance of you guys actually wanting to go see it, but I don't remember Popeye being like that. Like, it's literally what it says. I think it's the men's Slayer. You know what that means? Like, literally, it says it's a horror movie basically. So yeah, I should go watch it. Cause oh brother, that I was just like, okay, it's gonna be a nice movie. Cause it doesn't even say like the men's Slayer. Rather, after you get into the movie, then they give you the title. It's one of those movies. I'm like, oh look, Popeye. It should be a good movie. Last time I seen it, it was a good movie. Him fighting for his wife Fiona. I think that's what it's called. I forgot. Very crazy, Mike. We do have some equal lows down here, so who knows? Maybe. I don't know. It's just about waiting, cause ain't really much right now. Ain't really much, bro. A lie. It's kind of cold in my room. Not kinda, but actually it's cold. Okay, we're pushing lower. What is the high? 1750. We're still low. 275. attention to this 5 because we have back-to-back 5s, 5-minute. We have this one in here that that was created as well. We have inversion that was created upon this one in here, so paying attention. Still not a fan of anything right now. Pushing back into this new week, opening gap. Let's see. You guys can see we already dipped into this one in here, so I want to have my eyes on it. And I'm also seeing, do we turn this one to a 1 hour? Into a 5-minute inversion. I'm gonna mark up these here for these guys. I don't really have anything for you guys. But I still want to mark off for these guys. 285.75. Sell sign. How far are we from it? Still 5-minute open. I'm about to run these sell side very close to it. I'm still not in anything. Diving back into deep discount. I get to hear this 5 minute I spoke about. Like I mentioned, going on a little bit very high resistance. I mean high resistance. Sorry. We're getting close to the sell side. Let's see. Man, this thing, snake, bang, 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 bang. Okay, so we close. Did we keep an eye on this because it's still open there. But this turned into a 5 minute inversion. At that place. And let me see for these guys. Yes, this as well did it. I'll keep in mind about that. A little rejection from there into there. Yeah, coming back in. Yeah, it should have been gone calm. One of those days I do that's a lot just to even try to take these out. But let's see how she wants to do it. Yeah, she is retracing back into it. Wish I had the second interval to see. Like the 15 to 30 seconds, see what's up. I have to see what's up. So they got sell side here for ENQ, and then we have a new week opening gap. The new week opening gap this week for ES, so that could be our target. Just in case she does wanna go lower. This is still getting respected. This 5 minute Civi. Excuse me, Bissy. I apologize. I don't have a markup because I already have one here, but just paying attention to it. Why not? You know. Deep in discount right now, so be mindful of that. If she is gonna go higher from discount, I want to see like a like an aggressive displacement. But let's just see. All right, we're gonna try. It's gonna try one more time to run over the sell side to see. Let's see. I haven't taken no setups at all. Let's see. Wait, what? There we go. I was looking for that line. I'm like, where's the line? Where's the line, sir? Again, low resist, high resistance going lower. I already guys showed you why, and you can see the up and down and the low resistance, the results. Same thing. We are getting close to our sell side, so let's pay attention to that. Let's pay attention to that. There she goes. All right, so we ran into our sell side, which is what we was looking at. It took a lot. Let me see how long it took. Not a lot. It probably took a few minutes. Yeah, it took about 5 minutes to go from these 5-minute inefficiency into our sell side. You guys can see. Alright, and we reach into a new week opening gap for ES. Currently right now we are deeper into discount. Let's see something. What is the high of this candle? 606 and the close 606. So this closed exactly in it. Okay. Wait and see what it does now. Oops. Not too worried about this 5. It's already, did everything it has to do. We do have a small one in there, but let's see. sweep on low, and they break above these highs. I'm gonna take some off here. We got our sell stop in placed. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna be tracing. I'm gonna go ahead and put all our stop into place. You're gonna be at break even. 32. Let's see. Everything placed at break even. Full stop. No. You're gonna sell another 8. You're gonna sell an 8 or 10. I don't know, it'd be confusing. If she goes any lower, you're gonna be selling more our precisions. Overall, I want to see if she could push any higher into here. These are target up here. Will she do it? I don't know. But as price goes, this goes another one. Alright. take some off here. Puts everything on black even, break even. I'm looking for these to get target. Take some more off here. Let's see how we close above this candle. About these highs here. Okay. I took some more off there. Basically everything I'll break even. If she goes back and take us out, we'll be in profit. We did again. I got in one position here, and then I got in a retracement here. Learning how to scale in back again. I'll be honest, I'm done with this fear shit, bro. Like I'm gonna be honest, bro. Like this fear, like having fear, that shit nothing, bro. As long as I trust my analysis, it is what it is. I got 2 more that I could take off the table. I'm just waiting to see how we go about it. Maybe she might take us out, who knows. But have everything I break even. I'll do is I'll place it above here. So long for these highs. And then the rest I'll sell it up here. Oh, there we go. So it's the risk. Whatever happens from here. All right. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. Made about like what? Yeah, we made like 560. So we made back what we lost for our funded account. That was a good trade today from these area here. I'll go ahead and mark it up. But yellow, yeah, I'll do yellow, whatever. I favor going up higher because going lower, it's gonna be very choppy. So again, learning how to just scale in. I don't see no more setups. I already got in twice. Yeah. I'm targeting just to see price and just rally back into our 1 hour in here. So yeah, I don't really see anything to get back in. Yeah, not a interesting, very crazy day today. And I'm gonna be honest, I was thinking about putting a 15, bro. But then I was just like, you know what? I'm not gonna do that because I'm just gonna sabotage myself. I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing. The whole goal is to honestly get my own personal account. Um, that's the reason why I'm taking these challenges, because I really just want to grow a personal account, and just go based off that. Because my goal was to establish no emotions when I'm in a trade. You know, sometimes when I enter a trade, it just goes in the opposite direction. I mean, not in the opposite direction, but it'll take me out and then it'll go and expand and be on her shit sometimes, bro. But it is what it is. Yeah, 25K flat. So I got everything positive, which is good. Let's see. Let's see. She's pushing, pushing, pushing. And this is what I was saying too. Like, if she's gonna go in lower, I would like to see her build like some nice low resistance, because if not, you're gonna have the same ship going back and forth, and we don't have no aggressive displacement. That's exactly what we're having right now. Exactly what we are having. Again, overall, I just want to see her get back into here. After that, you know, she wants to go ahead and take these highs on her. Because if she does, then that means I'll be targeting these. If these get taken out, then you already know we're up to the run to our area target. This 1 hour up here. So, yeah. So in total, it took about 2 setups. One of them, I just let it right out until my personal account hit, hit profit. And then the other one, I just got in for my challenges, just to scale more precision. All right, there she goes. This is the area I was looking for. And again, I said it was gonna be a high resistance going up in there. There we go. Boom. There she goes. I wish she could have done that when we was, from down here or into here. But we just trailing on stop loss, I'm gonna be honest. We have enter back to about 1 hour. Let me just see now. So, like I said, low resistance, higher, high resistance, lower. And then she's gonna go ahead and push higher. We need to see her push aggressively through these inside this daily range here. I said I'm just missing. There's something I'm missing. I'm gonna find out what it is. Of course, not alone. With God Himself is gonna help me. But I just gotta be patient, bro. I gotta figure it out. I gotta find out what it is. I'm not really too far off for what I'm missing. I do like these to continue pushing higher. So it was telling me I can't even enter. I'll take that as a sign. But let's see if from here we could get some sort of more movement higher. I was trying to get into it again, but it was not letting me. I don't know. It's some bullshit. I ain't gonna force it. Let's see if we can go ahead and target these highs up here. The likely group must contain the current account. There she goes. Let's see. Can you get something aggressive going higher? I'll take some more. Okay, we pushing higher. Might take some off the table more. Yes, I did get in again because he was able to, and it allowed us to from here. Just going up to these highs. We'll go ahead and move some off here, and I would be in a trailing. I will be trailing my stop now because overall trying to reach 639. By the close, but take it out. No. At this point, I'm just having a I have everything set in place, and I do have a precision. One more. It's a pretty calm day today. Yeah, today I was not playing. All right, so there she goes. Made up actually another 200-300, so now I'm up 700. All right, so this precision on here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and put in some overtime this weekend, bro. I need to put some overtime this weekend because I don't know what it is that I'm missing, bro. But it's like I'm right there, And I'm thinking about it, and it's like, yo, why are you scared to get in some of these positions over and over again? What are you losing? You're not really losing nothing. You just attaining more information. And it's been time where I want to get in. I want to get in. Like, for example, here, I wanted to get in, and it was telling me, oh, you cannot get in it. And I understood why. And as soon as I had the chance to get back in it, I was like, yo, I'm getting in this, bro. I'm getting in this. Like, my overall target is to get back into these 1 hour up here, right? This 1 hour inefficiency, and same thing for these guys, right? But like I said, bro, will I want to get in again? Of course, but will I? Nah, I already did, bro. I literally took 3 positions, one together with all the account, and then 2 separate from here, and then the retracement back into here. It is what it is. This shit is just humbling us to get back in again, and if we get back in again, we can get fried. I'm not trying to get fried. I'm not trying to be greedy. It is what it is. That's my day. I just, you know what I mean? Like, I gotta go put in some time, 2 hours. I mean, some overtime for the week. Honestly, bro, I gotta figure this shit out. I'm too close, and I gotta figure out what it is that I'm missing, because I'm missing something, and that's something I'm gonna figure it out. You got all the accounts where they needed to be. Alright, tomorrow I gotta pay one. Alright, for the second month, cause I've been taking these challenges for 3 months, and I'm not giving them up, bro. I'm not. I'm gonna figure it out, and then we're gonna continue pushing forward. But I'm feeling itchy right now, and usually when I do feel itchy, that means that I'm about to pull another trigger, and I'm not about to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and read you the message of the day, and I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. Excuse my language, because I'm not liking the tingly of my fingers right now. It's trying to gravitate to Trader Bob right now. Click a button, so you're not gonna do that. All right, so today is Tuesday, day 44. It says the key to visualization is to keep the picture moving in your mind, and yourself moving in the picture. If you keep the picture moving like a movie, you can master visualization really quickly. If the picture is static, it is a lot harder to hold the picture in your mind. Keep your visualization busy with a lot of movement, and your mind will become so captive it will not be able to think of anything else. So practice every single day. I want to make sure I'm not nothing, bro. Okay. All my shit is taken out. Okay. Yeah, just make sure that I don't know, have a vision board. I have a vision board, and every time I complete something, I cross it out. And as time goes, I'm doing that. Currently I'm working on credit, and yeah, companies and everything. So just have a board, something on your phone. Like, if you're on your phone a lot, just have something on your phone where you constantly just looking at it and just picturing yourself as it already here. All right, so that was the message of the day. Appreciate y'all here, appreciate y'all present, appreciate y'all overall. Hopefully today you found what I said insightful. If not, again, ask me any questions. I'm still a student to the game, but I love to share. But yeah, do I have anything else to say? Look at my calendar. No. Oh yeah. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we're not trading because, sorry, I got like mad calendars. One of them is like a weekly planner, and the other one is like an actual calendar. On the weekly planner, we have NFP tomorrow. Then we have FOMC. We have nothing on Thursday, but in between those days, we don't really trade. And then Friday we have NFP. So, and I believe like a whole bunch of CPI. I don't know, something like that. But yeah. So if you guys are gonna be trading tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, just be mindful, be cautious, and protect your profit. Yeah, you guys can see I would have, like I said, I would have gone into this. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but it is what it is. I'm not even complaining. It is what it is. That's why I'm getting the hell out of here because of that reason. But yeah, as always, I'm gonna go ahead and show you profit for the day. This was my funded account, and it's the challenges I got in a couple times. It is what it is. Oops. See, look, this is gonna be the baby right here. This is one of my dream cars, like top tier cars. So I have that all the time, especially because I spend most of my days in my computer, and I didn't notice that until I went to the barber shop. And you, like, I don't even go outside, like, at all. Like, I'm a homebody, and my barber said, "Yo, bro, you got a tan." I'm like, "How did I get a tan when I spend the whole day in my house?" And then I thought about it. I'm like, "Oh, the screen, me being behind the screen too much. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, this is getting me itchy. So I'm gonna get out of here. As always, 5 P's: preparation, prevent poor performance. And like my mama always say, be the first one in the room and the last one to leave. Apply that to anything you guys do. Don't rush. Stay in your lane. And don't compare yourself to anybody and their progress, because that would just slow you down, and you're basically taking time off your marathon to look at somebody else to see what they're doing. Just like if you have plan A and you stop doing plan A to take care of plan B, you know what I'm saying? You're sending the universe a whole bunch of misinformed information. But yeah, stay blessed. Be grateful, and I'll see you guys Sunday. Sunday I'll do a live for either Sunday I'll do a live, or I'm thinking about doing a live. I'm not sure. I'm trying to get, I still promote my videos, so I'm trying to get it out there so people can see it. So I might just do it regular and then just promote it out there. Or I go live. It is what it is. I'll figure out by Saturday. So I'll see you guys Sunday. And